Welcome to the Hoodin 360 Surveillance and Vigilance setup. Here you can set up surveillance for a specific product brand, a product type, or customize your surveillance. Let's demonstrate the process of setting up surveillance for a specific product brand. Begin by entering the brand name and manufacturer for the product you wish to set up the surveillance and vigilance for. Great! The Hoodin system will now guide and assist you to optimize your configuration throughout the setup. Let's get started. The first piece of information to specify is the product category for your product brand. The Hoodin system will suggest categories based on the brand name and manufacturer you provided. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button. Now, you will define the product's lifecycle stage. For any uncertainties, you can always access additional information to ensure the correct data entry. Next, you will identify the product's indications. The Hoodin system will offer suggestions for relevant indications, or you can enter your own information. Save your selections and proceed to the next step. If you prefer to skip a step, simply click the Skip button. You can always revisit and modify your settings at any time. Let's proceed by entering critical components with suggested inputs. After that, add similar products. Then enter countries and relevant markets for the product. And there you have it. Your surveillance modules are now being generated, and the system is starting to monitor thousands of relevant data sources and millions of articles to retrieve data relevant to your product.